Hi, folks. This is Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of February 22nd, 2011. As always, the charts I use come from the Trade Navigator software provided by Genesis Financial Technologies. In the bond market, kind of strange price action from my point of view. After this big long sideways pattern that we saw here that covered a couple months, they broke down and looked like it was a pretty doggone serious breakdown. Instead, they only went down for a week and turned and started back up here again. What's unusual about this is if this is a false break, they usually snap right back up and go test the highs of the congestion again. They're taking their time about getting back up there. I mean, they rallied pretty nicely Tuesday, but still not the snapback that you would expect if it was a false break. So I'm guessing that they're going to go test these highs, and that's where the resistance would lie, which is roughly, well, let's call it 122.12. That would coincide with the mid-Keltner channel here, so there's a good chance they will find resistance in that area. Whether that holds them for the move or not, it should at least provide some resistance and maybe a tradable sell-off. Support down below the market is at 118.24, the green line, and I'm a little surprised that they didn't go down there, but they're showing strength, but not the strength that you would expect if this was really a false breakdown. So sort of unusual price action there, and obviously the Fed's QE2 has something to do with that. In stocks, we finally got a break that we've kind of been looking for a while. We had this very low volatility move up here, very small ranges, but steadily up, and now just suddenly a big break, largely based on the problems in the Middle East. I don't like moves that occur for obvious external reasons like that, so I don't know just exactly how important to read this. I think they've dropped into an area at the mid-Keltner channel there that could possibly be support, and despite the size of the break, there is resistance just above the market at the green line here at 1336. I really won't be at all surprised if they get back up there this week. And even if this is the end of the trend, even if this is all over here, it wouldn't surprise me also to see them go back up high enough to even retest the highs within the next week or so. I don't think they'll give it up quite this quick. If I'm wrong and this is really trending down hard or just ending the trend immediately, they could go way back here. Back in January, we had this low back here in the 1270 area. That could be the first target for this move. They could be wanting to drop all the way down to this lower Keltner and down into that area before they find more support. I think that's a little unlikely, though. I think they'll probably stage some sort of retest of this high within the next week or so, even if the trend has ended and we're going down now. I still think we'll see some sort of reversion back up. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in with us, and we'll see if we're not healthy enough to do this again next week.